Welcome everyone. Let's solve square root of 15 plus 10 root 2 plus square root of 15 minus 10 root 2. Let's learn how to solve such types of questions. Please note, while simplifying an expression, if you take square or square root, then you must take square root or square respectively to balance the expression. Question is, find the value of square root of 15 plus 10 root 2 plus square root of 15 minus 10 root 2. So first of all, we'll take this entire expression equal to x. Let x equals to this entire expression. Now to remove square root sign from right hand side, we will take square on both the sides. We write on taking square on both the sides. In next step, we'll put square on both the sides. Expression which is on the right hand side will be opened by using identity a plus b whole square. In place of a, we have 15 plus 10 root 2. In place of b, we have 15 minus 10 root 2. So on the right hand side, we are using identity a plus b whole square. That is equal to a square plus b square 15 minus 10 root 2 plus 2 times a means 15 plus 10 root 2 into b, and b is 15 minus 10 root 2. Let's write the identity we have used to solve right hand side. We have used a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Let's continue the question. Now square root and square will be cancelled. Square root and square will be cancelled. So x square equals to 15 plus 10 root 2 and this plus sign, and again 15 minus 10 root 2 plus 2 times, we can write both the radicand parts under one radical sign because both the surds have same order and their order is 2. So under the common radical sign, we can write 15 plus 10 root 2 and in other bracket 15 minus 10 root 2. In next step, we'll get x square equals to, you can see on the right hand side some terms are equal with opposite sign can be cancelled. So minus 10 root 2 and plus 10 root 2 will be cancelled, and 15 plus 15 will give us 30 plus 2 times, you can see under the radical sign a plus b and a minus b, this identity can be used, which is equal to a square minus b square. So we will write in place of a we have 15 square and in place of b we have 10 root 2. So 10 root 2 whole square. Let's write the identity we have used. A plus b, a minus b equals to a square minus b square. Let's continue. X square equals to 30 plus 2 times 15 whole square is 225 minus 10 root 2 whole square equals to 10 root 2 into 10 root 2. 10 into 10 will be 100 and root 2 into root 2 will be root 4, that is equal to 2. So 100 into 2, which is equal to 200. In next step we'll write x square equals to 30 plus 2 times 225 minus 200 will give us 25, and we'll get value of x square equals to 30 plus 50 equals to 80. We had assumed that the entire given expression equal to x. So 80 is the square of the given expression. To get the value of the given expression, we will have to take square root on both the sides. We'll take on taking square root on both the sides. See, we are taking square root on both the sides. Square root of x square and square root of 80. Square root of x square is x, and square root of 80, we will write prime factors of 80. So the prime factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 5. Since the order of the surd is 2, so we'll make groups of 2 same prime numbers. So we have a group of 2 and again one more group of 2. So square root of 80 can be written as 4 root 5. So what was x? X was equal to square root of 15 minus 10 root 2 plus square root of 15 plus 10 root 2. And the value of this expression is equal to 4 root 5. Now you try this question using appropriate identities. Thank you for watching and enjoy learning.